Welcome to the dimly lit streets of the S&P 500 market, where narrow alleys twist into shadowy recesses and the streetlights cast long silhouettes across market trends. Let's search the streets and alleyways before us with trusty magnifying glass in hand, looking for clues. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value. Area high, VAH, 7,257.75, the penthouse window. Bulls need clean acceptance above it, or the doorman tosses them back into the rain. Value area low, VAL, 7,239.00, the basement stairwell. Lose this and the case starts smelling like downside continuation. Point of control, POC, 7,254.25. The smoky backroom where most of today's business got done. Price may magnetize here when conviction gets shaky. Support zone 7,239.00 to 7,244.75. Value low defense and prior rotation floor. Buyers need this alley guarded. Resistance zone 7,257.75 to 7,261.75. VAH into session high, a tight ceiling with sellers leaning over the fire escape. Single prints/escape routes. Lower, 7,223.75 to 7,224.25. Thin downside alley. If visited, expect fast movement and possible responsive buying. Upper, 7,258.25 to 7,261.75. Thin upper quarter. Acceptance above can trigger a quick squeeze attempt. Market context. The last three sessions show a market that got roughed up, then tried to clean itself up before sunrise. The April 30th session stretched from 7,240.75 to 7,300.75. Then May 3rd widened lower from 7,199.50 to 7,279.75, showing broader volatility and bearish pressure. Today's developing session has recovered from 7,200 to 23.75 up to 7,261.75, with current trade near 7,256.00. Translation from the precinct. Price is rotating near upper value, but still beneath the upper escape route. Bulls have the suspect cornered, but they still need a confession above 7,261.75. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume, delta, CVD, breakdown. Note, the file did not include true bid/ask CVD, so this uses an OHLCV close location delta proxy. Good for directional pressure clues, not courtroom grade footprint evidence. Session open, CVD proxy, plus 724. Buyers started with a small lead, looking confident in a trench coat. Intraday peak. CVD, plus 4,057 at 3 a.m. Eastern Time. Buyers had control during the overnight lift. Intraday low CVD, negative 5,763 at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Sellers ambushed the tape late, leaving fingerprints all over the alley. Current CVD proxy, negative 2,407. Sellers still hold net aggression, but buyers have partially recovered from the low. Interpretation. Price near upper value, while CVD remains negative, suggests possible absorption or passive buying, but also warns that a breakout above 7,261.75 needs fresh aggressive buyers. Not just bullish, wishful thinking, wearing a fake mustache. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, 7,239.00 to 7,244.75 on a defended pullback, or above 7,261.75 on acceptance. Stop loss, below 7,236.50 for value. Area longs or below 7,254.25 for breakout longs. Targets. First target 7,254.25 POC, then 7,257.75 VAH, then 7,268 to 7,274 if momentum expands. Short trades. Entry zone. Rejection from 7,257.75 to 7,261.75, or failed breakout back below 7,257.75. Stop loss. Above 7,264.50 to 7,266.00, depending on entry quality. Targets. First target 7,254.25 POC, then 7,244.75, then 7,239.00 VAL. Keep position size modest, while price is inside value. In balance, the market steals wallets from both sides and leaves only a cryptic note. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, bullish breakout. Above, VAH. If price accepts above 7,261.75, bulls crack the safe. Setup. Long above 7,262.00, stop below 7,254.25, target 7,268, then 7,274 to 7,279. Best if CVD flips upward from negative territory. Scenario B, VAH. Rejection. If price tag 7,258 to 7,262 and fails, sellers may reload. Setup. Short failed. Push back below 7,257.75. Stop above 7,264.50. Target 7,254.25. Then 7,244.75. Scenario C. Value rotation. Lower. If price loses 7,254.25 POC, the detective follows the footprints back downstairs. Setup. Short below 7,253.75. Stop above 7,258.00. Target 7,244.75. Then 7,239.00. Scenario D. VAL bounce. If price dips into 7,239.00 to 7,244.75 and buyers defend, that is the reliable informant showing up late. Setup. Long from support confirmation, stop below 7,236.50, target 7,254.25, then 7,257.75. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.